Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You want to begin now? Choose an approachable place like a cafe, walking tour, or group class and position yourself where people flow. Once seated, use short openers, an observation, or a genuine compliment so you don't sound scripted. Make sure to use inviting body language. Smile, keep arms open, and hold roughly 1 to 2 meters of comfortable space. This combination speeds up first contact and signals you're friendly. Don't wait for perfect timing. Start with a single natural comment. Once you've opened, steer toward rapid rapport by asking 3 focused, easy-to-answer questions: where they are from, what they're doing here, and any local tips. Then follow up on one detail. Make sure to add a short personal story of 10 to 20 seconds. This balances the exchange and makes you memorable. Offer a small, useful gesture like a photo, suggestion, or spot recommendation to create goodwill. If the energy matches, propose a low-commitment next step. That moves a chat into something real. As the conversation winds down, secure a way to reconnect, exchange Instagram, WhatsApp, or agree on a specific time to meet. Make the plan simple and confirm one clear detail. Once done, tell them you'll follow up in 24 to 48 hours, then actually do it with a short, friendly message. If you sense low interest or closed body language, don't push, thank them and leave politely, then try a different group or activity. That minimizes awkwardness and preserves momentum for your next attempt.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.